The core responsibility component of household uplifting program, otherwise known as a conditional cash transfer household uplifting program, has three basic components, which is the base, the top up, and the livelihood. Every beneficiary that has been mined and has fallen below the absolute poverty line is qualified to collect the first type of transfer, which is the base. The base seeks to achieve the smoothing of consumption of the household and also help them to acquire productive assets. So the second component of the household uplifting program, which is the top up, is to address the issue of intergenerational poverty by addressing the issue of human capital development of our beneficiaries. In addition to the first type of transfer that the beneficiaries are collecting, the program has looked at giving additional support to the beneficiaries to stimulate the demand for health and educational services in the area of improvement in school attendance and enrollment for the beneficiaries, also help pregnant mothers to attend antenatal and also take their children below the age of 5 for immunization. This second component also seeks to address the issue of environmental hazard. So in a household that are benefiting from the first type of transfer, looking at the second component, there are members of the household that are pregnant, that is for the mothers, or there are children below the age of 5. Then there are also children of school age from the age of 5 to 15 or from the age of 5 to 18. Those household members are qualified for additional transfer, which will help them to demand for health and educational services. Also among the household members, if there are women especially that are within the age of 18 to 40 and they are ready to address the issue of environment, that is take care of their environment through sanitation and household cleaning, those household members are also qualified to get additional support. So basically the area of core responsibility that we are looking at are four. We are looking at health, education, nutrition and environment. So depending on state developmental challenges in these four key areas, states are eligible to select one key area, either health, education or environment. If for example in a state the rate of maternal and infant mortality is so high, that state is at liberty to put the statistics of the state in the four areas that I've mentioned to select which area they think is more challenging. So if issue of maternal and infant mortality is high, the state can select area of health as an area that they want an intervention, that is by supporting the beneficiaries, the pregnant women, the lactating mothers to take children for immunization and also pregnant women to go for antenatal.